Hey everyone, Pamela Curtis here. Welcome to my new series, My Gardens with a View, for spring and summer. Here it is in early spring, and to prepare for the warmer temperatures and working in the gardens, I like to start by bringing in some seasonal plants and herbs. So I have started with some beautiful rosemary and some beautiful purple African violets. Now this is the first step in my gardening process, and I will follow through this process as time goes on and the weather gets better. I will be selecting more plants to present outside and in the gardens. And I will see you very soon with the new series, My Gardens with a View. In the meantime, check out my latest video on the reality of spring in the gardens for April and in the gardens today, progression and preparation for spring, plans for planting. Have a great day, everyone. See you again next time.